The Lima COP is very, very crucial. They're bringing above 190 countries to start preparing the agreement that will be fostered in 2015. So pretty much the 12 months starting from the Lima up to Paris is actually preparatory to ensure that the elements of the legal agreement are intact, and most importantly, to also ensure that countries actually agree to these elements so that in Paris the process of adopting this agreement will be quite very straightforward and easy. I think we'll achieve a lot because we have 12 months to Paris, and if Lima doesn't agree on the elements that have to be on this legal agreement, which have to be fostered in less than 12 months from today, then there will be a problem. But at the moment, from the Secretary General's Climate Summit, which took place in September, I think that the foundation towards Lima has actually been somehow solidified, and therefore we're hoping that countries can be able to agree to these key elements of this agreement, which is mostly funding, and especially for least developed countries, whereby the issue of funding has actually been sometimes contentious, but also with the reality of the impact that the latest IPCC assessment, which came out in November 2nd, pinpointing increases in sea level rise, reduction in agricultural production, especially in least developed countries and Africa in particular. The element of funding will be something that the Lima COP has to start ironing out so that it gets into the Paris Agreement in 12 months from today. Yes, there is really huge momentum coming from the Secretary General Summit that took place in September. Countries actually came forward and put pledges, and I think that has actually galvanized the entire international community to actually see that everyone is trying to play a part in the entire climate change arena, and at the same time also there are reports that have come out, especially the UNEP emissions gap report, which shows that the increased emissions are actually taking the world to the part which will be catastrophic in terms of the consequences of the extreme events that are already plaguing countries and regions today. So with this in mind, and with the Secretary General providing the platform and the arena for countries to see the reality of inaction, which is catastrophic, and at the same time investment in renewable energy and other climate clean development pathways, it's quite very, very important also for job creation. So nations already have this in mind, and we believe that with that momentum forward, there could be something quite very, very helpful coming out of Lima and in Paris.